Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Miras Word here again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. Compliment of the season, and yeah, I know I have been MIA. I cannot even say I'm trying to apologize because I'm going to come back to be consistent. I'm apologizing for like always being away, but I am not assuring consistency. Rather, I'm assuring traveling to new places and putting it out here at my early convenience. I know I've been posting this China series since May that I traveled last year. Not last year because we're still in this year though. But yeah, I know it's been a long, ride. It's been me being inconsistent. A lot has been happening. Good stuff too as well. Not necessarily bad stuff, but I've been so busy with work and life generally, just the same way all of us are too. So please, I plead that whenever you see my video, do well to click like, share, and engage. And I will really appreciate it to help me travel more and even make small things to afford the travels that I'm doing. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what $10 can get you in Chongqing, China. I made this video in China, but I never remembered that I had to do an intro, or I think I simply lost the intro clip because I made so many videos, and I'll try to put it out there within the next 1 month so that we can end the China series and move on to another country, because I have lots of things in stock for you guys. So without further ado, let us hop straight into this video right away. So I'm gonna be starting off from here. This is actually like the 5th or 6th floor, and when you get out of the elevator, this is what you will see. The hotel is like a bit funny because it is in a building and a particular floor is used, so it means that other people live in other floors or do other things on other floors. But when you get to this floor, you see this aisle. My room is just at the left hand side. When you get into the aisle, I don't know if they're saving power, but this aisle is literally like a bit dark sometimes, except when the cleaners come to clean. And I have just entered my room and I've used my card to automate the lights, and yeah, there's power now. And this is how tiny this room looks. If there's one thing I will take away from this trip and me booking this place, is that booking this place really helps save cost, and the fact that it was neat all through. Emphasis on neat. This place was freaking neat. They changed the sheets every morning, gave me water, gave me the necessary things. I was really pleased about the services. Yeah, I booked this on their version of trip.com, and I think a Chinese helped book it because you have to upload some necessary documents, and they uploaded mine and all of that. And I can't believe I spent $10 staying here. $10 is just like 14k. Where in Nigeria will you see a hotel that is this neat for 14k? Okay, I'm not comparing, I'm just saying that this hotel is small but neat, and everything you need is here. So I have this table where there is water, everything. I can keep my laptop, keep my shoes. There's a chair where you can literally sit if you're tired of lying down. A comfortable bed that can take one person or maybe two. A place where you can hang clothes and whatnot, because the room is small, so there's no place for a proper wardrobe, but they left these wall hangers where you can hang stuff. So when you enter the room, what you see by the right hand side will be the toilet, while the left hand side will be all the things I have just showed, including the bed. There is an AC that works. There is a window that if you open, you can see what's going on. I think we'll open it soon. And then there's this console where you can play stuff. There's instructions of what to do, what not to do. Let's try to open this window and see what is outside. So yeah, the view here is just this tall building blocking the whole space. But of course, who needs to open the window? I don't think I really need to do that, because there's AC, and even when I tried opening it, the AC is blocking it, so you're not supposed to open it because there's light 24/7. So you use the AC when you really want to. This is me trying to close the window, and then I noticed that they have these two curtains. I was trying to properly close it and all of that. If you ask me if I would do this again, I'll say yes and yes and yes, because this helped me save cost. Like, it helped me save cost, like, and it was so comfortable. I did not like notice any rodents, anything. I tried turning on the TV. I think the remote battery was bad. I complained and they came to my aid immediately. I don't know what else is someone seeking for, if not just a place to lay my head. I came here for adventure, and I literally leave the house morning and come back in the night. And even if I want to stay here all day, like, I have comfort. And this is the tiny place where I try to like fit in my bag, because if you look at this room, you can tell that there is literally no space, right? But you can also tell that it stands out because it is neat and, not tacky. So it's time to move to the toilet. Let's see how it is. So this is me trying to say hi to you guys. The lighting is not so good, but I mean, we make do with what we have. There is this like mirror here, and then did I say that when they change it every morning, they provide everything you need, from soap to toothpaste to toothbrush to anything, name it, curtains, whatever it is you need, towel. They try to make sure that yes, this place is small, but we can tell you that you'll be comfortable because we keep it as neat as possible, right? And they have clean running water, dryer. If you want to like wet your hair, you can easily dry it. Everything is like, it's like getting a very minimalist place and making it like home, making it comfortable for people that are coming here at the towels, and they make sure they change each and every one you use every morning when they come to make their rounds. And I think I'm really pleased, like, because imagine spending $10 for this apartment when others were like 100 and something, 200 and something. It means the amount I used to spend a day in other hotel, I could literally use it in all my stay in China if I wanted to. So yeah, anyways, I'm talking too much. Here is the bathroom, there's a shower, there is this heat extractor, and then they have slippers if you want to use. They have soap, body shower, name it, whatever it is you need in a hotel room is here. This one is not the one you lodge and you start lacking something, you start trying to look for where convenience store to go to buy it. Everything was just here, and they were really, really perfect. I won't lie, I was like, damn. If I was the one that paid for the rest of the hotel when I was with people from work, I wouldn't spend that money. But then it's like work-ish, so let me enjoy it. But now that it's time for me to spend my money, I choose where and what to spend it on, and I decided that accommodation was not going to be part of it, and I made the right choice because this place was as comfortable as any other place. I didn't have any complaint. There was no bug, there was nobody disturbing me. It was just so peaceful. Shout out to this hotel. Unfortunately, I'm making this video months after, so I can't really remember the name, but yeah, this is my experience and I really did enjoy it. So I guess that brings us to the end of this video. If you love this video as much as I love filming it, then do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. And until then,